All right, today I'm going to give you a quick look at the professional installation of the Irrigreen 3.0 sprinkler system. It's a real professional crew, Heritage Irrigation, real install, no fluff. Stay to the end of the video so you can see a few shots of the final results. Shooting out much further down there, but when it was here, it was just going right around this tree. It's adjusting right now so that it's in front of the shed and not getting the shed super wet. Remember, we can adjust in 6-inch increments, so this may be able to come out another 6 inches and still get all of the grass, but it's not watering down the shed. And it should, once it gets to the edge here, get longer to reach this over here. See, it got past the shed and now it's adjusting out. Dad, you see how well they put that back?
Yeah.
They did an excellent job with this right here. I've seen some installations that have been horrible, and this is pretty good. They did a really good job. And we're done. They're done. The system is in, and I can't wait to play with it. Now, we went ahead and winterized the system a couple days later, so the first run will be in the spring. I'm so impressed with how precise and tidy this system is, and I'm excited to dial it in when the season starts. And a quick heads up for you guys. Irrigreen is currently having a huge sale. 35% off of the 3.0 systems and 30% off of the 2.0 systems through December 17th. Discount codes are in the description. You can buy your system now and get it installed later. Oh, spring seems so far away. But look, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Catch you later.